Welcome back. You did an excellent job with the first video. You did fantastic. So now let's look at the next 15 verbs in the past tense that are irregular. Okay, let's continue the fun. So here, similar to here and there, here, past tense, heard, like her plus a D, heard. Did you hear that noise? I heard something outside of my window. Scary. Halloween time. Okay, leave, left. Similar to your left hand, left. Same spelling, same pronunciation, left. My uncle left the party early because he was bored. Meet, long vowel sound, 2 E's. Here, short vowel sound, met. Mazina and Miriam met for lunch yesterday, and they didn't invite us. Okay, paid. This is like pay plus a D sound. Paid. Han paid for a delicious dinner for her family. Paid. Usually when I go to a restaurant, I pretend that I am going to the bathroom, but I pay. I pay for the dinner. Okay, ring, same as this, but this is a noun. Ring is the verb. So my phone, ring. So my phone rang when I was in the shower. You can also say the school bell rang. You know the bell, time to go to class, it rings, right? So it rang. Send, sent. Caroline sent her students emails after class. I always send my student emails to encourage them. Sing, I can't sing. Sang. Think about like sang. Beatrice sang a beautiful song and Juan cried. I cried too. She has a beautiful voice. Speak. Spoke, right? So when I was a young child, I spoke in Korean, or I spoke Korean. You can say in or without it. I spoke Korean. Now, today, my Korean is terrible. So I am studying again. Take. Took. The thief took my purse. Help. Took. Wake up. Woke up. Think of like woke up. What time did you wake up? You were late for work. I woke up at 9 a.m. and work starts at 7 a.m. Began. What time did class begin? What time did we begin class? We began class 10 minutes ago. You are late. Find. Found. Yay! I found $20 in my bag. Yesterday, I found $5 on the couch. I was very happy. Lose, lost. We can use this 2 ways. One is to win or lose. So my favorite soccer team lost the game. I was very sad. Or you could say, oh no, I lost my favorite sweater. I can't find it. Lost. My boyfriend always loses his car keys. he lost his car keys. Okay, hang, hung. After I washed my clothes, I hung them. Or I can also say, oh, I hung pictures on the wall. Photos, I hung them on the wall. Say, said, said. Kind of like said. What did you say? I couldn't hear you. I said, I love you. Everyone, I hope this helps you just remember some of the irregular verbs that we use in English. Remember, for questions, you never change the original verb. So, what did you say? I do not say said. What did you say? In the positive answer, I say, I said, I love you. I hope you are having a wonderful day. This is part 2, and I hope you will later watch part 3. Bye, everyone.